Good evening, late evening. Sunset Limited Amtrak #1, about 3 hours late. I was debating on coming, but I was still woke. So I said I'll come get it. Westbound, San Antonio. Get there about 1 o'clock tonight or later. Here we go. Hope everybody enjoy this. I bet he's gonna be surprised to see me out here this late. Guys here. There he is. Good home. Oh yeah. 3 engines. See, I would have missed it. That's all right. I figured it was gonna be worth the wait tonight. Y'all have a good night. That's all right. I'm going home. Then cross over that diamond. There it is. This for you, Israel. Good night.